Internal links do two jobs. They pass authority, and they tell engines what a page is about through the anchor text. Most internal linking ignores both. Click here. This post. Smart internal linking picks the right target and writes the anchor from the phrases your site already ranks for, so every link doubles as a relevant signal. For any source page, it finds the genuinely relevant pages to link to, not just keyword matches, using adaptive retrieval that widens or narrows until it has real candidates. Then it ranks each candidate with a toolkit of signals and shows you the score breakdown, so a suggestion is never a black box. You see why this target, with this anchor, beat the others. Here's the edge. It pulls your actual Search Console queries and uses them as anchor text. So the link from a post to your pillar page reads as the exact phrase people type to find that pillar, the phrasing the engine already associates with it. Real demand turned into anchors instead of guesses. It works two ways. Page mode strengthens one page's internal links at a time. Query mode starts from a query you want to win and finds where across your site to link toward the page that should own it. One is housekeeping, the other is a strategy you can run on demand. Nothing is inserted behind your back. It proposes the link, the target, and the anchor with its reasoning, and you accept or skip. It even learns from what you accept over time. You get the speed of automation and the final say of an editor. Smart internal linking is part of AEO God Mode Pro, and the plugin starts free. Search AEO God Mode under Add New Plugins, install the free version, and get the foundation in place. Upgrade when you want data-driven internal links at scale. No card to start. Begin at aeogodmode.io.